Uh-oh. Oh boy. Hello, and welcome to the newest Beater Box Friday. Thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at the handle on your screen right now. Directly below that is my website. It's called Ransom Note Sneakers. It updates at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today with all the shoes that we're pulling out of this box. Hi, pals. Usually I get boxes from Soul Supremacy, but today we decided to switch it up a little bit because variety is the spice of life. It's a new phrase that I just coined, so I'm going to file for a patent for it. Nope. This box comes to us from Direct Kicks, which is based out of New York. There's no membership required. As some of you may remember, my good friend, hi fella, Untied Hawaii opened up a $750 box from Direct Kicks, and it was very good. So I decided to take the plunge. Their website is down below in the video description. They offer boxes that are sneakers. They offer some boxes that have sneakers and streetwear. I contacted them through the advice of, I think it was Middle Eastern Jordans or something like that. Thanks for the suggestion, fella. I said I don't want any streetwear in my box. They're like, cool, we can do that. So I ordered a box. This box was $1,250 plus $20. I almost said 40. $20 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois. Be sure to tune in next week to hear the conclusion of the story of Aunt Bernice and the Italian beef stand for a grand total of $1,270. Bryson's box was good, so I'm assuming this is gonna have potential profit. So go ahead and follow along with the counter. Its name is Clarence. Inanimate objects deserve names too. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and current and or recent sale prices of the same kind of model or similar models. So the weird thing is they sent the box and then they emailed me and said, hey, we forgot a shoe, so they threw it in this box and sent it to me. So let's open this box, see what's going on in here. All right, so this first shoe out of this box, let's see. Okay, it's not very good. It's a size 14 LeBron 10 All-Star. It says Area 72 on it, so I know exactly what these are. LeBron 10s in worn condition from All-Star Weekend. This is like this purple and kind of weird salmon-looking colorway. Yeah, it's an All-Star release. I think the actual name of these is like Extraterrestrial or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, but these are lightly worn, a little bit of outsole wear. Colorway is kind of goofy, and LeBron 10s are, in my opinion, one of the less desirable recent LeBron models, so can't imagine there's much value here because it is no offense, but it's a very bricky size. So there you go. First shoe out is a LeBron 10 All-Star release with the original box, and it's got the cool like newspaper paper like all the Area 72 ones do. Let's open this big box now. So there are loose shoes. There's two of them. Let's grab this one first. So this is a size 10. Wow, from 2006. 2006 Air More Up Tempo. It's just a white colorway with 3M piping around the air, discolored swoosh on the back because it is an older shoe. But for being older, these are in actually really good shape. They just need a solid cleanup. There's a little bit of yellowing on the padding of the tongue just because it is 10 plus years old. So size 10 Air More Up Tempo in a triple white with 3M colorway. There you go, no box. Can't imagine there's much value there too, because just up tempos are just not really that great in terms of value. The other loose shoe is a size 9.5. This is the 2010 release of the Air FOAMPOSITE Pearl. First thing you always want to check with older Foamposites is to make sure there's no sole separation, which on these there doesn't look like there is, but there is some significant outsole discoloration because it is, again, almost 10 years old. Some heel drag. I mean, these don't really go for much either. They're in okay shape, but it is an older pair, so you kind of have to wear with caution, I guess. So there you go, 9.5. Foamposites Pearls from 2010. This next up is a box that looks like it went through a blender. It's a Y3 Stand Zip in a size 10.5. Okie dokie. This is a worn pair of exactly what the box says, a Stan Smith Zip Y3 shoe. You've got zippers on the lateral and medial sides. Has the Yamamoto branding under the tongue, which is kind of weird, under the strings. So that is the tongue then. These are just like high fashion shoes in a triple black colorway. There's really nothing more to it. You can actually take this thing off, which is really weird. I'm just gonna do that because I can't get it to zip back up. So that's what it would look like without the laces. It looks kind of like a scuba shoe. So that's weird, but these are lightly worn, hardly any outsole wear. They're in decent shape, I guess. Just not a huge fan of fashion sneakers because I'm not fashionable and I'm old. So there you go, Stan Smith Zip Y3 release in a very damaged box. Has the dust bags and all that good stuff with it too. Next up, we have a Nike red box. This is a Nike Air Max 95 OG in a size 10.5. These are worn because there's some missing nipples and some scrapes on the bottom, but this is like an olive with some bright orange colorway type thing. Yeah, lightly worn, pretty decent shape, a little bit of wear on the outsoles. Like I said, some of the nipples are gone, but just needs a quick cleanup. They're okay. These probably have like 125 bucks, if that, but they're in okay shape. So there you go, 10.5. Air Max 95. I am not a fan of the Air Max 95, and especially this colorway because I'm not a huge fan of olive. So there you go. Next up, it's a Jordan box. This is a Jordan Jumpman Pro Quick, size 11. I mean, that's what it is. The Pro Quicks, these are like the Game Royal colorway. It's a Team Jordan release. These are worn, Jumpman's gone in there. It's some outsole wear, and this is definitely a throw-in because these are not worth more than like 40 bucks, 50 bucks max. So still a cool shoe, can't really complain, but just not much value, which is what we're going for in these boxes. So there you go, size 11. Jordan Jumpman Pro Quick in the royal blue, white, black colorway type thing. Hey, there's an SB in here, that's cool. So we got a size 9.5 Nike SB Zoom Dunk High Premium. Oh, I know what these are. So they're worn, but barely. Wow. 100% stars, no heel drag. This is the collaboration with artist Thomas Campbell on a Dunk High Premium. People refer to this as a what the, even though it's not a what the, it's just an artist collab, but they are mismatched and they are kind of crazy. I used to have these actually. The leather is very stiff. It comes with the extra yellow or orange laces. It's a cool shoe. I'm just not a huge, it was not very comfortable, I'm not gonna lie. SBs, especially highs, are just not comfortable for me. It's still a very cool shoe. These are probably going for at least, I mean, I sold a size 11 about a year ago for over 300 bucks and they were used. So these are probably worth at least 300 plus, I guess. Size 9.5, very nice condition. No star loss, no heel drag. Thomas Campbell, Dunk High. Cool. Finally something good in here. There's a LeBron at the bottom of this box. Looks like it is a LeBron 16. It is. It's a LeBron 16 limited in a size 8.5. Ha! So these are dead stock, that's cool. So this is a LeBron 16. This is the what the colorway, or they call it like the LeBron 1 through 5. Comes with the original receipt from Foot Locker too, so that's good. These are also mismatched. Two different uppers, two different outsoles. You can see the lace bag is still attached to the right shoe. Yeah, these pull a bunch of things from older LeBrons 1 through 5s, and these were a big deal when they first came out. So this is a pretty decent size too. Oh, there's Volt laces on the left shoe too. So these might have some sneaky value. I don't really know. LeBrons, they either move or they don't move, which is the two options of any shoe. So what am I talking about? 8.5, what the LeBrons, 16s, with the original box in good shape. And we got one more in here. You can tell by the box what it is. This is a collaboration with Chicago's own Don C on an Air Jordan 2. Let's see what colorway it is. Okay, so these are the blue colorway of the Air Jordan 2 Don C. These are worn, a little bit outsole wear, not much drag. So yeah, these were worn very lightly. You can see not much toe box creasing or anything. It's got the gold aglets. Comes with the pin that it comes with and the dust bag. This is actually came originally from Stadium Goods, which is pretty cool. So yeah, size 9.5, pretty decent size. These are worth at least 300 plus too. So there you go, size 9.5, Don C2s. And that is a $1,250 Direct Kicks beater box. I'm not doing the report card anymore. That's a huge thing I forgot to say. I'm not doing the report card anymore because it's annoying to edit and no one really cares, really. So let's just take a look at the numbers. Let's do the breakdown thing. Breakdown! So looking at the box, I mean, there's some okay value, but it's a lot of stuff that's gonna be tough to move. I mean, there's no hyped sneakers in here, really. Nothing to write home about. Yeah, I mean, if you wanna check out Direct Kicks boxes, I kind of don't really have anything to say, honestly. I'm not going to be purchasing another one because I have the Soul Supremacy membership. Why would I bother buying another box from Direct Kicks when I don't really need to? Use this video for research if you ever want to try and think about buying a Direct Kicks box. That's as far as I'll get into it. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they'll be on my website today at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, unless someone on GOAT gets to them first. The website is ransomnotesneakers.com. It is in the video description. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. We have a $1,600 Soul Supremacy beater box. Looking forward to that. We're going to be opening it on Monday. So everyone have a good weekend. Tune in for The Legend of Aunt Bernice and the Italian beef stand next week. It's gonna be a weird video, so take care of each other. And remember, they're just sneakers. Just chill out. Nothing to get mad about. Okay, everyone have a good weekend. We'll see you later. Bye!